Is the fall housing market really heating up in Rochester, Minnesota? Well, if you're thinking about making a move, whether you're buying your first home, you're relocating for work, or you're just downsizing for a change in lifestyle, you're probably wondering if fall is the right time. Well, here's the thing. Missing the timing in a changing market like Rochester can mean losing thousands or waiting months longer than expected. But the right strategy this fall could set you up perfectly for success. Hi, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and in this video, we are breaking down exactly what's happening in Rochester's real estate market this fall, including price trends, buyer demand, and whether now is the time to jump in or wait it out. We help people just like you every week figure out their best move in today's market, whether it's selling smart, buying right, or relocating with ease. So if you're wondering whether fall 2025 is the right time to buy or sell in Rochester, we'd love to help. And you can reach me directly at 507-398-9044 or through the contact info in the description below. Now, before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all those notifications so that you know when our newest video drops, follow us on our socials, hit the like button, all the things. And if you have any comments or questions, please add those down below so that we can respond to those. Now let's make sure that your next move is the right one. Again, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, right here in Southeast Minnesota. My husband Bruce and I help our clients navigate every twist and turn in this local market, and fall always brings opportunity if you know where to look. So let's explore what this season means for you. Is buyer demand really growing in Rochester this fall? Well, this fall, buyers are going to be more serious. Nobody wants to move in the winter, so they try to get their purchases done before the snow hits. And many families want to settle in before the holidays as well. We still have many relocating professionals, especially doctors tied to the Mayo Clinic and the Olmsted Medical Center, and they often target this window as well. Now, retirees and downsizers use fall to make quieter, more strategic moves. Again, nobody wants to move in the winter. Now, our inventory remains tight, but it's not frozen. So compared to the spring-summer market, we are seeing a few more homes coming on the market, but also there's fewer people looking to buy. So competition is real, and sellers willing to price strategically can still draw those solid offers. Now, physicians and incoming professionals are still relocating, and our local market continues to be influenced by the health professionals transferring here to Rochester. And this niche audience really drives demand for well-maintained homes in school-friendly, move-in ready areas like Northwest and Southwest Rochester. So what are Rochester home prices doing this fall? Well, prices are stable with subtle upward pressure, okay? So they're still going up. We're seeing about a 1 to 3% year-over-year appreciation in many neighborhoods. And school zones like Mayo High or Century continue to attract top dollar. Now, the mid-range homes are still holding firm. Homes between about $300,000 to $450,000 really remain our sweet spot. They're affordable, yet they're competitive. And you can expect multiple offers on well-presented homes in this price range. Now, the luxury and new construction homes, they're going to offer a little bit more room to negotiate, especially in areas like the Summerby Golf Community, Byron Overall, and Montgomery Meadows, where larger and more expensive home inventory is on the rise. And builders are going to be a little bit more flexible this time of year. They don't necessarily want to hold their inventory over the winter as well. And staging is going to make a big difference. Now, are homes still selling fast in the fall? Well, if your home is well prepped and it's under $400,000, those are moving somewhere in that 10 to 14 days on the market. Now, that's down slightly from our summer frenzy, but serious buyers are still ready to act, and cash buyers and those with pre-approvals will always win the bidding war. Now, homes that are staged and priced correctly really get the most traction. So think cozy fall staging, neutral palettes, and seasonal curb appeal. The just listed buzz is even more valuable when fewer homes are hitting the market. So those outlying areas, those offer longer days on market, but more room to negotiate. So if you're moving from the Twin Cities or out of state, now is a great time to explore properties just outside of Rochester with a little bit more space and a little less urgency. Now, is it a smart time for sellers to list in the fall? Well, yes, if you're realistic and you're prepared, because there's less competition of other listings and there's still good qualified eyes on your listing. Buyers this time of the year tend to be more motivated. They're not just those window shoppers. Now, fall buyers, they want a move-in ready, cozy home. So use those warm tones, fresh scents, and exterior touches like wreaths and lanterns to create an inviting fall vibe. Market your property for the season. And of course, we always recommend having a professional do the photo shoot for your home during the autumn color peak season, because that is going to look gorgeous and it's going to help set your listing apart. And we've seen sellers get above asking price just by being the best looking listing on the block. Now, tips to win in the fall market, whether you're buying or you're selling. So buyers, get pre-approved now before the winter slowdown in lending timelines, and be ready to act fast when the right home hits the market. Do not wait until open houses come. And if you consider homes that need a little updating, they're easier to negotiate on and still move in ready before snow hits. And sellers, stage your home with cozy textures, fall scents, clean curb appeal. Price for the market, not for the memories. We're going to show you how to do that and list before mid-November to beat holiday slowdowns and the winter distractions. And here's a tip for everyone. Use local data and Rochester-specific comps, not Zillow estimates or national news headlines or what your neighbor thinks. Our boots on the ground insight makes all the difference. And if you'd like to know more about Rochester's fall housing market, whether you're buying, you're selling, or you're just thinking about making a move, please subscribe to our channel here, turn on your notifications, follow us on our socials, all the things. Again, comment with your questions. We will definitely answer those. And you can certainly click on the boxes in your screen here to see some of our other videos. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.